Take back control of your Windows 11 experience and stop those disruptive automatic updates. First, we need to access the advanced settings. Click on the Start button in the taskbar. From the Start menu, locate and click on the Settings gear icon. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, look for the Advanced Options link, usually located near the bottom of the page, and click it. This is where we'll make our adjustments. We're going to focus on several key areas to pause or restrict updates. The most immediate way to stop updates is to use the Pause Updates feature. Click the drop-down menu and select a date up to 5 weeks into the future. This will temporarily halt all update downloads and installations. Next, consider toggling off Receive Updates for other Microsoft products. This prevents updates for applications like Office from downloading alongside your Windows updates, giving you more granular control. Scroll down a bit further to choose how updates are delivered. Click on this section. Here, you can toggle off turn off updates. Downloads and installs will only happen when you turn this back on. While this sounds promising, it's important to note that Microsoft may re-enable this feature in future updates. Finally, to prevent unexpected restarts, we need to adjust active hours. Click on this setting. You can set your active hours manually to ensure Windows won't restart your PC for updates during your working or gaming sessions. Set a start and end time that covers your most active periods. Remember, while these steps offer more control, it's generally recommended to install security updates periodically to keep your system protected. You can manually check for and install updates when it's convenient for you by clicking the Check for Updates button.